almost half an hour of workout, burned around 142 calories. In fact, I'm fasting for the last 16 hours, no pre-workout meals or nothing. It's something I feel is completely wrong, because I was also believing that we need to have some food just before working out, or have some carbs, have some pre-workout meal, so that you can work out really hard. But now last few months or almost a year now, I've been doing intermittent fasting, and I do workout in the morning. It's like towards the end of my fasting, 16-17 hours of fasting, and still I'm able to do whatever workout I want to do. I don't feel low in energy. Initial days definitely I had that, mostly maybe psychological, or is it real, I don't know. But now I am like really ready. Sometimes I'll have a cup of black coffee. Black coffee doesn't break the fast. So yes, it has caffeine and it gives you that energy or that stimulation. But even without coffee also I do workout. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year doesn't be something like 2020. Anyway, let's forget all those bad things and let's think about 2021 and have some goals. So recently I did a post on my other channel and people were talking about reversing diabetes. So I thought, why not make a video on reversing diabetes? What exactly is reversing diabetes? Can you completely get rid of diabetes? How do you do it? Who can do it? All those things in this video. Let me finish my workout, because I was traveling all these days for last almost 12 to 13 days. My entire schedule had changed, because when you travel and when you are at home and you have to compromise on your diet and exercise, but again you need to make sure that you are doing something to burn your calories, at least maintaining the calorie input and output. In fact, I gained 1 kilo, so I need to reduce that. So in this video, stay tuned. We'll be talking about reversing diabetes. So what is reversing diabetes? Reversing diabetes doesn't mean a permanent cure for diabetes. Let's make it clear. Reversing diabetes cannot be done for type 1 diabetes. People with insulin dependent, that's type 1 diabetes. You need to take insulin and it can never be reversed as of now. The medical science or nobody has still reversed a type 1 diabetes. So let's talk about reversing type 2 diabetes. Reversing diabetes means a diabetic person is managing his blood glucose level at a normal level, like HbA1c 6, not like a really very normal person, but something like less than 6 or 6 without taking any medication. I am able to manage my diabetes without taking any medication by controlling the diet I take or the food I take, regular exercise, and many other things. If you are a person who is type 2 diabetic and interested in coming out of medication, please follow these things which I have done, and I am sure that even you can also do it. First thing is, you need to understand your body. You need to understand what your weight is. You need to understand how your blood glucose level is. You need to have a weighing machine with you. You need to have a glucometer with you with sufficient strips, and you need to continue with your medication. Parallelly, you need to start few things. First thing is, let's talk about the diet. Diet is the most important part. You need to switch to a low carb diet. You need to have minimal carbohydrates. You need to have food with very low glycemic index. Glycemic index is something which I have explained earlier. There would be lots of links in the description where you can find more information related to reversing diabetes and my experience over a period of year, how I could reach to a stage where I can manage my diabetes without taking any medication. Coming to the first part, diet. Low carb diet, you can go for a high protein diet or a high fat diet. You need to make sure that you are taking sufficient calories. If you are overweight, you need to reduce your weight, you need to reduce your calorie, you need to go for a low calorie diet so that you can reach your correct weight. You can check, there are many options to check what should be your weight depending upon your age, your height, everything. There are many calculators, weight calculators available. You check with that, and suppose you are overweight, you need to definitely work on reducing your weight. So diet is the first part which you need to take care. I have some links in the description about diet. Please follow those videos to understand what exactly you should eat and what exactly you shouldn't eat. The second thing is regular exercise. You need to spend at least 45 minutes to 1.5 hours every day, at least 5 to 6 days a week. Make it a habit. You can go for a morning walk, you can go to the gym, you can do some floor exercise, yoga, whatever it is, but you need to make sure that you are working out every day and burning some calories. It's one of the most important thing when you are planning for reversing your diabetes. The third thing is, if you're smoking, you need to quit smoking. If you're consuming alcohol, you need to almost quit alcohol, or once in a while having a small drink is okay, but once in a while doesn't mean that once every week or once in every 10 days you go for a big party. That would disturb your diabetes or your plan for reversing diabetes. If possible, completely come out of drinking alcohol. 100% come out of having sweets, white sugar. It's not at all recommended, or you shouldn't even try 1 spoon of sugar if you are planning to reverse your diabetes, because see, 1 spoon of sugar would have so much of sugar that it will spike your blood glucose level. The technique basically is like you are going to have a diet which would never spike insulin in your body, and the insulin insensitivity is going to be reversed, like trying to make your insulin or body act to the insulin available in your body. That's what the science is. I'm not going to go into the details how things are going to happen. Basically what you are going to do is you are going to have food which is not going to spike your insulin. Then the most important thing is having sufficient sleep, coming out of stress. If you are a person stressed at work or stressed at home, then you need to come out of that. That's very important. So all these things combining together, if you are able to make it, you would be able to reach a stage where you can stop your medication completely. Now, once you start doing these things, you will realize that your blood glucose level is coming down and you don't need so much of medication. So you are not going to stop your medication all of a sudden. You can do it by checking your blood glucose level very periodically, because I use glucometer, and even I used to check almost every day, once or twice, even after food, to make sure that how my blood glucose is reacting or changing according to the food what I am taking. Is this food working good for me? So it was very important for me to make sure that I have a glucometer, and I am using it every now and then to understand what's happening with the food. You would be many times confused. Sometimes you may see odd things coming in front of you. So you don't need to be worried about. Don't stop your medication all of a sudden. You have to taper your medication. Suppose you are taking 10 milligram of something, try 5 milligram of that, and always take opinion or suggestions or listen to your doctor before you take any serious decision related to your medications. One more very important thing, you may reach this stage and you may be thinking that like you can have anything anytime, but that's wrong, because I can manage my blood glucose level only if I am controlling my diet, I am doing my regular exercise. If I am going to have a party, eat some cakes, sweets, pastries, or halwa, all those things, my sugar level spikes up. It's not a complete cure of diabetes, so be very careful. It is just a temporary, or it's like a suspension of your medication, and because you are not eating carbohydrates or you are not eating anything which is spiking your blood glucose level, and over a period of time your insulin sensitivity level is improving and your insulin is working much better than earlier. So this is something which you should really try, because medication or having large good number of tablets every day is not any solution for this. So what happens is, if you are not controlling your diet, you will be increasing your medication. You may then get into insulin. Taking insulin is not bad treatment. It is, I feel, is the best treatment, even if it is type 2 diabetes, because tablets may have a lot of side effects. So I don't know, but again, you need to check with your doctor. So that's basically all about reversing diabetes. Reversing diabetes is not completely curing diabetes. Reversing diabetes doesn't mean that you may not have to have medication in future. It is something like you are managing your diabetes without taking any medication. Still you are having a blood glucose level of almost normal, not really very normal. 6 HbA1c without medication is great, and you can say that you have reversed your diabetes. That's exactly what reversing diabetes mean. It's not a permanent cure. So make it very clear in your mind. If you are diabetic, and to reverse it or to come out of that is very difficult. If you are a very disciplined person, if you are a person who can control what you are going to eat, then definitely you can do it. I have tried it. I feel that it's great if you can come out of your medication, because I used to eat so many tablets and insulin every day, and now it's not a botheration. But only thing is, when you are traveling, when you are in a situation where you have to have some sweets or something. And very important thing I want to tell you before I end this video, intermittent fasting is a very big solution for reversing your diabetes. Try that. I have done separate videos on intermittent fasting. Please check those videos out. You will be really finding it helpful. For me, intermittent fasting was the best way to come out of this medications and all these complications. But I regularly do my exercise. I make sure that I'm not eating too much of carbs. That's how we manage diabetes. So that's all about reversing diabetes. If you guys have any other questions or any other experience, or if any of you have completely cured diabetes, please let me know. I would love to listen from you guys. Or anybody has come out of medication, reverse diabetes, how long you have been doing it. Everything would be interesting for all of us. Please share it in the comments. That would be interesting. So that's all for now. Please take care. Have a wonderful year 2021. Be healthy. Try intermittent fasting. Try to reverse your diabetes. Bye for now. Take care.